Why is nobody talking about this photograph that shows the picture of 3 of 43 prisoners sentenced to death on 22nd July 1995 by firing squad? These men were arrested in Ibadan alongside 15 other members for armed robbery. Now, the interesting part of it is that the first 3 of the convicted robbers told the crowd that 7 of the men arrested alongside with them were innocent. However, nobody came forward to defend these men or even provide lawyers for them. Now, these 7 innocent men were executed alongside with other robbers. The innocent blood spilled on the Bar Beach and Kirikiri was too much during the military regime. These were amongst the innocent people that were executed without any further trial. That is to show you how bloody the Nigerian history is.